Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one account just to kind of show you the type of money you can get with this particular program that I'm promoting right here. Now you might get more results than me, less results than me. I'm just showing you what happening when I do it. Yeah, every single day, guys. So if you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, the reason why I like promoting this this particular product, it's a funnel builder, so to speak. It's $25 per month. It's a really good product. But the reason why I like promoting this product is because it's affiliate system, guys. It's affiliate system. It's 80% recurring commissions. That is so high. That is so high that I haven't seen anything even half of that is good. 40% recurring commissions is considered really good in the affiliate marketing world, and 80% is just obscene. I need everybody to get in this. If you're an affiliate marketer or any kind, this is the best affiliate program to promote right now, guys. If you're affiliate marketing now, if you don't know what that means or you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, basically it's about selling other people's products and you get a percentage. But this percentage is so high. One thing is recurring, so you get paid every single month, guys. And the next thing is, so I'm getting $20 per month from most people here, a ton, $20 per month. But it also has a product that has $100 per month, guys. And if you see what I'm saying, if you stack that, keep stacking it, you're gonna get some crazy numbers. You're gonna start getting crazy numbers. Excuse me. You're gonna start getting a lot of crazy numbers. And that's what I'm trying to kind of show you guys. You can build that up and kind of go crazy with it. So anyway, guys, let me show you my results here, guys. So we're gonna refresh the page simply because it's very easy to change these numbers around to show whatever I want. And I want to make sure you guys understand that if somebody show you results and it's like a still frame, don't believe it, because it's very easy to change the numbers around to whatever I need it to be. Very easy to catch a photo of something else. When it comes to results, especially like clickbank, you gotta be real careful with that. It's very easy to change clickbank stuff. But yeah, now if you're interested in trying to make money online, this is the way to go. All right, so we refresh the page. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna try something here. So, all right, guys. So this is what we're doing. We're going to this page here, and we're gonna hit select all. We're gonna select all our leads here. All right, guys. Now we're gonna make a new email and what we're gonna do, guys, since I'm in the system, I get emails from the system, so I can use emails from the system to promote the programs. So what I want to do here is do that. So I'm gonna go to one of the emails I got in here. All right, right here, copy. I'm gonna copy that. That's gonna be the title, right? So, and then we just gonna go to the email here, and we're just gonna copy the email, copy. That's all we're gonna do, guys. Copy paste. Now, I could just use the email that's already in the system and only take about 30 seconds to set that up, but I'm just gonna show you guys, how to come up with, new emails here. I'm already in the system. You always use the system emails they send to you. That'll work really well as well. So instead of Kiara there, that's my name. We're gonna put first name fits here, and it should say the name of the person, who's getting the email, so to speak, with this system. All right, so we're gonna just bold the stuff like this, bold, and after that, if you notice, there was a photo for the next part. So what we gotta do, we just copy this, copy the image address. All we gotta do is this button, fit this in here, boom, and there you go. Now we're gonna shrink it a little bit. We're gonna put it on about 2-3, about 250. See how big that is. That's good. That's good. So we just copy the rest of the email right here. We're just gonna do that. It's a really well written email. That's why I'm using it. And now we got a new picture here. A little bit smaller. Copy. What I do? Copy image address. That's what I meant to do. Go back to the system. Hit link. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're gonna shrink this to about 150. That's good. Yeah, that's good. All right, so we just copy again. Keep moving. What I kind of want to do. Nah. I was thinking about making a we gonna rush this. We're gonna go ahead and just run through it. Right here. All right, we just gonna copy that, I think. Rest of the emails kind of not needed. You need short emails in this system. So I think we're just gonna paste that in right there. We're gonna underline, bold this, underline it. And we're gonna italicize this part. And then we just pick something like interesting. Pick like interested right there. And just erase all of that. Put your link here. I'm gonna use all-in-one $25 business link. It promotes the $20 and $100 commission, guys. That in. So we're gonna do that. Let's make it bold. And see what it got for this is a very long email here, guys. Here we go. We're just gonna get that. Gonna put sincerely. Gonna post that in. Freedom Crusaders, and we're gonna put the photo in as well. As you can see how easy it is to get an email going. Just using the email they sent to me and repurposing it. And making it a little bit more condensed, because long emails usually are not the way to go in this system. So we're gonna put it by 250. Yeah, that works. Make it a little. I think we can make it a little. 300. I want it bigger. Want it bigger. In fact, let's make all the birds bigger. want all the words to be. Let's put it on 6. There we go. That's a little better. I like that. Gonna make the photo bigger too. It's just me personally. I just want to make the photo bigger so it's easier to see. Oh, got 400. I ain't realized. Oh. Lock it. I didn't realize it wasn't doing the thing. That looks a lot better. I like that. Alright, so we preview the link. Make sure the link works, guys. See how it looks. Looks like a very solid email, right? And the link goes to this. Go to this page, guys. Now this is the page y'all gonna see when y'all click and want to join the system as well. And basically, we added something new. Something new is in the system called Emerging System. It's basically ChatGPT. You know about ChatGPT. And what it does is send emails. It helps you create content. You ask it, hey, make an Instagram post or so on and so forth or something like that, and it'll make content for you. All right. So anyway, guys, that's the new thing in the system to really help people out. And let's go. That's all there is to it, guys. Very easy to do, very easy to complete, very simple. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Very easy to build up your income in this way, and this is the simplest way to make money online, period. Now, if I already had this email in here, this only would have took me 30 seconds to do. I just added an email in there real quick, show you how fast it is to do manually to add emails. So you can really kind of build this up and get going with it. You know what I mean, guys? So anyway, if you're interested in following along, like I stated before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description. If you're interested in following and doing what I just did there. And
bye. Have a beautiful time.